Welcome back to Cars of Sweden live on this cold but sunny day in Sweden, and look what we have here. It's the Bentley Continental convertible, making me feel nice and at home. Let's get inside this and see what it's all about. Okay, so inside the car it's a push start, but it's keyless, so foot on the brake, push the button and listen to that W12. Now that's quite impressive. All 6 litres of it as well. The Bentley emblem there, the all important Bentley emblem. Right, it's got some kind of multimedia system here, but as you can see, that is definitely on the aging side. Back in 2008, I guess this is what we were doing. But it's got the Breitling timepiece, as you would expect. If we look at the gearbox, that's all Audi. I think anybody driving an Audi of this era would recognise that Steptronic gearbox. But this one's got a Bentley B on it, shifter. Now, everything in this car says quality. To the soft closing doors, to the stitched leather seats. Back seats look very nice, but absolutely 0 foot space there, or leg room. Let's face it, you're putting your kids back there, and very young ones. Smells of leather in here. Lovely finish here. Let's have a check there. Big glove box. It looks like it's got a navigation system and stereo system, CD player in there. If we take a look in the boot, you can see there is loads and loads of Bentley space here. And even if you decide to take this to the Alps or any kind of skiing resort, they have a little pocket here that can open so you can get your skis in nice and easy. If we look under the bonnet, that's where the W12 hides. All 6 litres of it, pushing out 560 horsepower. 20-inch rims on this baby, and also we have a convertible top which looks equally good down as it does up. So if we look at the steering wheel, we have cruise control over here. Also we have your volume controls and a little sort of dial here to work your way through the menu system, if you see up there. Okay, also we have paddle shifters. They're not the conventional paddle shifters that you normally see today, but they definitely work. Now this car is a little bit different from most cars of its era. It's got a few carbon fibre pieces. If we look at the front spoiler here, and also the boot spoiler, these are like exclusive bits for this car. So, alright, let's see if we can find the seatbelt. Alright, let's start the car first then. It's winter in Sweden, but the sun is out, definitely out. So it's a bit chilly out here, but I'm in a Bentley, so I'm not complaining. Right, give it a quick rev, put it into drive, check the mirrors, just now in Sweden it's +6, so you know, here in Scandinavia you have to change your wheels to winter tyres, or change your tyres at least to winter tyres after a certain date, but only if the temperature dictates that it's that cold. Right now it's not that cold, but so we've got summer tyres on this baby, so obviously we're going to take it nice and easy. I mean, straight away in this car you know you're in something decent, because that engine sounds like nothing I've ever heard before. Nice and smooth as you would expect from a Bentley, but you know, I never really had any kind of bar to measure this against, because this is my first time in a W12 and first time in a Bentley, and it's not a bad place to be. You can definitely tell in the car that it's a 2008 car, because all the little bits and pieces that you become accustomed with all the brand new cars coming out today, you can see that this car is lacking all of that new touchscreen technology, and maybe just all the advantages that modern day cars have. But one thing it doesn't lack is the way it glides around. There's definitely no lacking there. And when you give it a bit of juice, I mean, it feels like you're on an aircraft when you're in this thing. You're literally flying. Big tyres on this car, so I do hear a bit of tyre noise, but that's down to what tyre choice you make. But low miles, Bentley Continental convertible. How could you go wrong? When you put your foot down in this car, it's like a jet fire lighting up the afterburners. And you got to hold on for dear life. 560 brake horsepower, W12 6-litre engine. Boy, that's a mouthful. But what a car. I mean, if you want the ultimate cruiser, summer, luxury vehicle, then Bentley's been around for a long time doing this, so this is no news to you guys, but for me, it's the first day ever in a Bentley, and I'm hoping this is definitely not going to be the last one. So this car actually is for sale. As usual, all the details are in the description. Autogruppen AB or RB if you're here in Sweden. Yeah, grab it while you can. Look, thanks for checking out the show again, people. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed or to the channel already, please consider doing so. It really does help out, and we're going to get bigger and bigger here on Cars of Sweden Live. So until next time, next week, I'll see you guys then. I'm going to enjoy this Bentley while the weather allows it. Take care. Listen to that. So what do you think of the car?
It's good.
Just good?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a Bentley, you know?